Alright, so this is my, they can't say dry crack, but a crack. Really maintenance, because realistically these things they want changing ever since, and I never get around to changing them. So alright, so the first thing I'm dealing with here now is the rear left wheel bearing. It keeps making some noise, so I think it's about time I change it. So you get right to that. Alright, so now that that's over, I gotta change this steering rock boot. And can't really see it right here properly, but you'll see it when I get it take off. And I gotta change the oil on this. It's January. I changed it since November. Yeah, that sounds real bad, but it's still pretty high and still hurt. So a oil change, steering rock boot change, and then I think I'm done with this car for the day. So I'll change time. Sometimes what I like to do, I get a little paranoid with this car. What I like to do is unplug the crank sensor, swing the engine until the oil light go out, and then I will plug back in the crank sensor and start it. I know it's not needed, but as I say, just get a little paranoid with this car since I had rebuilt it. You guys sound a little miserable at cool. Like the air control valve don't work. Everything changed. You just want to go careful little test drive. Make sure that the bearing noise is gone. under and see what happens.